We have around 1.5 lakh login instances per day on our portal, triggering around 20 lakh transactions covering more than 8,000 schemes.
We went in for a complete data platform makeover with Microsoft SQL Server and Power BI. In financial year 17-18 alone, PFMS handled close to 600 million transactions, valuing $240 billion worth of monetary disbursements. This was achieved with zero downtime and complete transparency at every transaction. We are exploring to make our engagements more interactive and decision-making more agile with highly intuitive Microsoft BI dashboards and data analytics tools.
Technology is truly transforming the last mile execution of social development projects. We have also been able to fulfill the government's objectives of real-time transfer and tracking of funds.
PFMS से जो पैसा है वो सीधा बैंक में खाते में आता है, जिसके कारण जो बीच का लीकेज था वो खत्म हो गया।